Top securing a prosperous future. Avoid these financial mistakes. Hey, how many of you can confidently say, I'm financially secure? Imagine if your income suddenly disappeared. Would you have enough money to get by for the next 2 years or more? These are the important questions we should ask ourselves regularly. If you felt unsure about some of those answers, listen up. Grab a pen and paper because you'll want to jot down what I'm about to share. 10. Examine your present financial position. Now comes the part where you've got to be real with yourself. Take a good, honest look at your finances. List down exactly how much you're earning, all your debts, both short-term and long-term, and every expense. Getting on the path to financial freedom starts with being financially aware. Just like in business, where you always know your numbers, in life, you should be fully aware of every dollar coming in and going out. Grab a dedicated book for your finances or create a folder on your computer to keep track of this info. Write down your true financial situation and don't be shy about being honest. Once you've got that done, you're ready for the next step. 9. Assess your expenses. You need to track where your money is going and what you're spending it on. I know the idea of recording every expense for the next 3 months may not sound thrilling, but trust me, it's worth it. It gets easier once you get the hang of it. The first few weeks might feel like a chore, but eventually it becomes a habit. You won't be able to spend a dime without jotting it down. After completing this 3-month expense log, you'll see clear patterns in your spending. Maybe you're splurging on coffee, buying unnecessary shoes, or your partner is eating into your income. Analyze each item and ask yourself if it's truly essential, meaning, can you survive without it? For instance, a new TV upgrade might not be necessary this year, but groceries are a must. Once you've evaluated everything, create a new list with only the essentials. This becomes your spending guide. Here's the catch: stick to the list, and if anything, try to spend less. Consider making adjustments like moving to a smaller home, skipping vacations, selling your expensive car for a cheaper one, or parting ways with depreciating assets like a boat. Invest in items or assets that appreciate in value rather than splurging on luxury goods that won't make you money. Think twice before going to the top-of-the-line TV or a $3,000 suit. Consider saving or investing that money, perhaps in your retirement account. 8. Make a vision board. I get it. It might sound a bit cliche, like something you've heard a million times, but seriously, everyone needs a sense of direction. Think of it like your personal GPS. And that's exactly what a vision board can be for you. It's not just a trendy thing. It's a crucial step in improving your financial situation and overall well-being. Plus, it helps you stay on course. Your vision board is like a visual roadmap for the next 2, 5, and 10 years. Be realistic, but don't hold back on your dreams. If you want that $10 million home, put it on there. Dream car? Absolutely. Your ideal life? Go for it. You might not achieve everything in a year or 2, but setting a realistic timeline, say 5 years or more, makes it doable. Once you've made your vision board, put it somewhere you'll see it often. Let it be a constant reminder of your dreams and where you're headed. 7. Settle your debts. Now that you've got your vision board, a spending guide, and a clear picture of your financial situation, it's time to tackle those debts. There are 2 ways to go about it. You can start by paying off the smaller debts or dive into the larger ones right away. The choice depends on your personality. If you thrive on constant motivation, knocking out the smaller debts first can build momentum and keep you inspired. On the flip side, if you're self-motivated and determined, tackling the big debts head-on might be your style. When deciding which debt to tackle first, consider both the loan amounts and the interest rates. Bigger loans with high interest rates are the expensive ones, while smaller loans with lower rates are the less costly ones. It ultimately depends on your personal approach. It's worth noting that not all debt is bad. It's what determines your credit score. Without borrowing money, your credit score won't have a basis, potentially leading to a lower score and difficulties in borrowing in the future. The key to managing debt is how you use the borrowed money. Financing a house, for instance, is a reasonable use of debt because the property appreciates in value and offsets the interest. In short, avoid borrowing for things that don't appreciate and always stay on top of your payments to maintain a healthy financial standing. 6. Begin building your savings. Make it a rule to allocate at least 10% and even better, 20% of your income to a savings account with substantial returns. Starting to save early is crucial. From what I know, saving is the foundation for building a solid financial reserve which can later be used for investing in high-return opportunities. To make this process seamless, set up automatic withdrawal systems. The moment money hits your account, have it automatically transferred to your savings. If financial peace of mind is what you're after, saving is absolutely vital. However, don't just park your money in any savings account. Aim for an interest-earning one. Look for accounts with high interest rates so that you not only preserve your money but also see it grow. It's a simple yet powerful step towards securing your financial future. 5. Boost your income sources. Explore avenues to boost your income. This might involve getting a second job, starting a side business, or taking on freelance gigs during weekends. The aim is to supplement your existing income. Working less than 10 hours a day isn't a luxury you can afford unless there's a medical condition or childcare responsibilities in the picture. Frankly, people often squander time in their 20s and 30s on trivial pursuits. If you talk to older folks, they'll share countless tales of how they wished they had worked harder and taken more risks in their youth. So, putting in the effort, working diligently, and saving as much as possible are key ingredients for a fulfilling life during your early years. 4. Consult a specialist. Once you've accumulated some savings and have a handle on your expenses, consider bringing in a professional. While this step isn't absolutely essential, it can make a significant difference. While general financial advice from videos, books, or magazines is valuable, a financial professional can provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique needs. Before reaching out to any financial advisors, do your due diligence. Check their background and credibility, perhaps on LinkedIn or by talking to their previous clients. Seeking referrals from friends and family is also a good idea. Ideally, choose someone local or in your city for a more hands-on approach to your financial matters. 3. Secure adequate insurance. If your state hasn't expanded Medicaid, take charge of your health care. Explore insurance plans, prioritize comprehensive coverage, and get quotes from various companies. Don't forget to insure your property and assets to protect against unforeseen events. Consider a life insurance policy for financial security for your dependents in case of unforeseen circumstances. 2. Shift your perspective. Managing and growing money is a complex game that demands discipline, routines, and strict measures. Shift your perspective on money and avoid repeating past mistakes as you gain control of your finances. Make lasting life changes, establish an emergency fund to prevent setbacks, practice self-control daily, and stay vigilant for new opportunities to increase your wealth. Above all, recognize that financial wellness starts in your mind. 1. Enhance your skill set. Invest in your education. The more you know, the better your chances for higher paying jobs or business success. A solid skill set also makes you less likely to face job cuts. Check with your HR department for potential education benefits. Your company might cover the cost of upgrading your skills. If not, allocate some funds for learning new skills or taking professional courses. Attend seminars and networking events to expand your connections because, as they say, your network is your net worth. By following these steps, you can transform your financial situation in the next year or two. Many have achieved financial security using these simple rules. Try them out, and once they work for you, share your success story in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on fantastic content. Do yourself a favor and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.